day. Don't give up in times of difficulties. Persevere on, as there will be an end to this. Don't give up in times of difficulty. Persevere on, as there will be an end to this. Did you know that an eagle can foresee when a storm is approaching long before it breaks? Instead of hiding, the eagle will fly to some high point and wait for the winds to come. When storm hit, it set its wings so that the wind can pick it up and lift it above the storm. While the storm rages below, the eagle glides above it. When the storm of life or challenge hits us, we can rise above them and glide like an eagle that rides a stormy wind. Don't be afraid of the storm or the challenge in your life. Use it to lift you higher in your life. Don't give up in times of difficulty. Persevere on, as there will be an end to this. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.